Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Seen by many as Jamaica's third city, cool Mandeville, as it is affectionately called by locals, is where you will find this gem of a property. This property is literally 5 minutes away from the town center and is also a stone throw away from NCU, one of the island's premier tertiary institutions for higher learning. With over 2/3 of an acre of land space, this overly generous lot is home to a whole host of fruit trees, namely breadfruit, avocado, almond, coconut, etc. The lawn is properly manicured and the landscaping is well maintained. The driveway was also recently resurfaced. The home comprises of 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, which includes a self-contained flat and the ground floor with separate entryway. This is ideal for a person opting to generate income from rent. Perched on the Mandeville mountain range, you will enjoy spectacular views of greenery and the city alike. Make this magnificent house your home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.